Hello team. Um, so this is our text hosting and sharing tool which I'm going to show you. So here you can easily paste title, folder, syntax highlight, or here you can easily create your paste. Here you can check your recent paste data here. You can search, you can update the language. If you want to do any new paste, then you can do it. Select the title. Here you can select a folder. Here you can select a plain text, all language, C like, ABAP, paste expire, self destroy, 10 minutes, 1 hour. We can update these things, paste status, password, description, text, and then we can create here. See, we created. So we can copy, share, raw, download, clone, these things. You can edit, you can delete, you can check the description. Or see, this is our URL. If you hit this URL, then it will be show you. You can see what things we have pasted here. You can see your recent paste, untitled, and other things. Then we have trending, archive, and other data. In archive, you can see, click any, you will get the data. Okay, then we have like dashboard, so you can see this is your dashboard. Here you can check how much folder, public base, unlisted, or private base we have. Then we have my folders, so you can check your folders. You can open, data will open here. You can check on your page. These are the settings you can update: edit profile, backup, delete account, and logout we have. Then we have folders, you can check. Then let me show you the admin panel. This is the admin panel. Then we have syntax language, paste, user, reports, language and other details you can check. Recently joined members. Here you can check the syntax languages. You can edit, you can delete, you can create. Then we have folders. You can edit, delete, and you can create new folder. Then we have paste. So here you can see the paste. You can edit, delete, there is an option, reported paste. Then you can check the complete user data. You can delete users all paste. You can delete or you can edit that user. Then we have pages, site language, and some settings we have. So you can update your settings. You can easily registration, auto approval user, and other details we have which you can update. Then we have page related settings. Advertisement are here. You can update your advertisement. SEO, comments, chatter we have which you can update. Spam protection are here, so you can easily block IP, cancel words, ban words. We can manage social authorization, mail, and social links are here. So this is the complete demo. So if you have any query or doubts, then you can contact with us. We will help you. Thank you.